In case you don't know how to level a concrete block, here is the way I done it. Hand jack from Home Depot, and I got few tools, very simple tools. All you see here are 5 tools, just to shovel the dirt. You lift that concrete block with the hand jack, and it might take you a while. So far it took me 4 days to clean under it. Every time I put it back on the ground, it is not leveled. So you have to be very patient to remove the dirt, because the tree, whether the tree or the water level, the soil swelled or collapsed. So when I came here, I discovered out I have 3 concrete blocks twisted in a very bizarre way. I was able to level this one. This one is very close, and this one taking me some time because it's too big. Too big because the surface under it is not very uniform. It's not a flat surface. If you look at the bottom, it's not a flat surface. So I have to remove all the dirt deeper than it should. When I put it back, I will have few pieces of rocks at each corner. I will level them with the water scale, and I should be able to get the entire walk leveled from the very front, from the garage to the door. That is the way you level a concrete block. It is very physical work if you enjoy physical work. Here now I can stand all my both feet leveled. It feels comfortable when you are on a leveled surface. I spent almost 2 years now walking on the surface that's not leveled because I was so busy between work and school. Now I got fired of my job. She gave me some time to fix my home. We are in August. Getting fired in August in working outside is like joy, like going to heaven. I feel I am relieved. So now, as you see, I'm almost done. I dig deeper than I should. That dirt that you see, it takes a lot of effort because it has a lot of stones, rocks, and the rocks are compacted in the ground. They are very compacted by the concrete. So I have to hit it hard with the tools, with the axe, and shovel it, and use a stopper to hammer through the soil. The soil is very compacted. It takes a lot of work just to get these few pieces of soil. Almost now 3 days. But I work a little, take a rest a little. You cannot really do this job continuously, especially if you are not conditioned physically for this kind of jobs. The most important thing here is not to get hernia, disc hernia, strain your back, your knees, your eyes, lose your eyes. You can lose anything here. You can lose your eyes, you can become paralyzed. So that's why I'm just taking my time to get it leveled, and then I'm using the water to get the dust away from my eyes, my hair, my skin. I think I did a good job. All I have to do now is to make that hole in the ground, edge it where when that comes down, it has to be flat. Very few pieces of rock here make the surface uneven. And I should be done shortly. Shortly means maybe today or tomorrow. I'm not in a hurry. After that, I will go back to fix my tree. That is a lot of work. I got to get these branches away from my roof. My goodness.